Welcome today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see right now, we got here the health of our battery. That's good. Also we got here more information about the level, the temperature of our battery, the model of your device, the Android version, and more and other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.